Number 2, overusing your voice on a daily basis. Now, overusing your voice on a daily basis, a lot of singers have a day job. You know, a lot of us wish we could just sing and that's our only thing that we can do, but many of us have a day job. So one of the things that can happen to overuse your voice, right? And when you overuse your voice, let's say you're a customer service representative and you have to talk on the phone. That is one of those jobs that could truly overuse your voice. Your vocal cords can get really tired because you're using your voice at all times. If that is you, you need to speak at a softer tone. Try not to push too much when you're saying, like this, my business voice is, Heavenly Sounds, how may I help you? Heavenly Sounds, how are you today? And when I'm speaking at a softer tone, not too much push. But this is also overuse of the voice. Overuse of the voice is if you are a singer and you decided to record during the morning, then you went over the choir rehearsal in the afternoon, then you had to do a concert or a performance later in that evening. That's overuse of the voice. You may have used your voice for 7 to 9 hours to 12 hours. If you do that, you are singing too much. You will be hoarse the next day. It's just because you've overdone and overused your voice. So be very careful.